The view is viewing. Good morning, Sagada. It's currently 3:13 a.m. And guess what?
Pagpalisa tayo, di pa rin, wala pa rin kuryente. Yung pa ako.
Let's prepare, guys. The show must go on.
Ay, ang galing kung sinusundan niya ako. Ang galing sinusundan niya ako.
Jasper, ano ba yan? Hello.
Hello, good morning.
We made it, guys.
Walang ilaw-ilaw yan.
We made it. Guys, we're starting.
Smell lang ako.
Thank you for the spotlight. Ang feel ko artista level yung spotlight.
Sarap mo lagi. Say hi to my vlog.
Guys, epic fail. Di ko napagana yung drone. So, napalipad ko siya but the gimbal is stuck.
I can't feel my feet.
How about you, Grashel?
10 out of 10.
It's so loving here. Sorry guys. Akala ko kasi it's time to shine again. Nanahimik lang ako siguro mga roughly 10 minutes. Tapos eto na naman ako. Pagod na ako. Alam ko, kanina nagreklamo kami, tapos ngayon, birthday ito talaga pala.
Oo. Sa'yo naman pala.
Magreklamo pero matutuwa. Pero nakakatawa din pag gumising ka ng super aga kasi parang ang dami mo nang nagawa. Pero maaga pa din. Wag mauna kami doon, ibig sabihin dumaustos na kami pababa. Hindi pa dito natatapos ang lahat. Bababa pa kami mamaya. So another 2 hours. This is the highlight of our Sagada trip. Ito lang talaga yung pinaka-extreme.
Edit ko ano eh.
Ay, it's me, Marimar.
Dito madalas tanga ka lang. Ari dito. Upo dito eh.
Jasper, maganda yung view.
Diyan ka po, uy!
Jasper! Huwag na kayo sumigaw, bakla.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And by chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby. Stop playing this game. We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel when I write a song. That is, if you don't mind. I have been thinking of you all this time. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby. Stop playing this game.
Go guys! Makikita niyo si Jasper nagsistruggle.
After Marlboro Hills, we're going to Blue Soil. Parang another 1 hour of trekking. So, may mga pause-pause lang kasi nagpipicture kami. We're ganda dito guys. Like, worth it naman yung pag-akit namin kanina. Pero, sobrang nakakapagod din. Hala. Is it still the right way, no? Tama pa rin naman, no?
Care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. In my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then
Look at the
come
view, guys.
over,
Oh my
baby.
gosh.
Stop playing
The view is
this game.
viewing. I hope we're almost there. Because it's been like 30-40 minutes yata. So we're still walking and walking and walking. Tapos bababa pa kami. I think that's another 2 hours. Kaya yan. Good start for November. I guess.
Ano kayang mangyayari pag ang bakal lumilipat?
Guys, nakikita niyo yung mga bumababa na yan? Tsaka kami galing. Can you believe, guys? Doon kami galing. Sok-sok. And now we're here.
Making all the same mistakes that I made when I was 16. Never thought of making money's feeling more like a pipe dream. I take 2 steps forward and 1,000 back. I shouldn't take this long to get my life on track. Yeah, I swear this basement's gonna be the death of me. So I cry out with a hollow voice, and I fade into the background noise. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life.
Bakit ako? Hi!
I remember what you said, Michael, don't quit your day job. Go to college with a loan that you're never gonna pay off. How to live
Finally! Pagod, guys. Nakakapagod talaga ang persons na ito.
How to live life.
Good start for November. I guess.
Good morning. At sa cellphone ka na, alam mo, ang dami ko nasa wallet. Paglingon ko sa'yo, nakapikit ka. Nakausap ka. Kasi akala ko nanonood ka kasi nag-play ko yung wheel. Sino nasa green na ba? Dilaan mo kayo. May dressing, may paresi. Bakit yung pinag-itripan yung aso?
Ang cute-cute naman ng damulag na yan. Ay, gana, 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 gana.
Sabi ka nga. Ah.
We are alive and kicking. Let's go! Kapag-recharge na kami after. Ilang hours na tulog? Almost 2 to 4 hours. Depende sa tao. We are finally recharged. Ready to conquer the world. Josh, pwede pa open ako ng ilaw kasi I wanna see my face.
Yung course nila sa may pasta courses.
May
Agli
ano pa ba?
olio for 240.
Parang
Carbonara
sarap nung-
230. Yung mga pasta nila, 4. Ay 5. Bolognese,
Aray mo
etag.
na nga, pa-scarf namin. dyan. Very Merry Christmas.
Kung paano ko siya na-spell ko siya.
We could fly a kite with our shoes off, boss on the boombox, weather never too hot. Little breeze is all I need, and off to the races. Watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. We could fly a kite with our shoes off, boss on the boombox, weather never too hot. Little breeze is all I need, and off to the races. Watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. Watch it catch the wind and go. See it sail the breeze afloat. And you're here with me, it shows. I'm feeling fine. Feel the grass beneath my toes. Let the music set the tone. See you smile and now I know that you're all mine. You're all mine.
Where's Bright? Cheers.
Ano, tarap? Ano, subukan ka naman. Huwag yung tarap eh.
A must try in Sagada.
Kitang basketball court nila yan. Wala ko dalang jacket. Ito lang yun.
Temperature is 17 degrees and look what I'm wearing.
Stop.
Pili ko hindi ako aabot ng 8 a.m.
Bakit?
Nanginginig na yung tuhod ko. Sobrang lamig. Oh my God. Te, bakit walang tok-tok? Baka day off sila ng Sunday. Guys, feeling namin din na namin napupuntahan yung Hanging Coffin ngayon kasi nung pagdating namin sarado siya. Tapos ngayon naman, last day na namin. Pero tanghali pa siya mag-open, no? 2 p.m. pa nung alis ng bus namin. So, yun pa naman yung isa sa famous spot dito sa Sagada. Pero next time na lang. If there's next time. Guys, update. Wala kami makontak na tok-tok. Bigla nag-service unavailable. Sunday day off ba dito? Hindi ba kami na-inform?
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses. Peachy, I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses. Peachy, I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Linen dresses,
Picture.
blowing hair through the wind as we're steaming. Watercolor world, so to speak.
Balik mo ulit yung camera. Yung sure natin.
update. It's currently 11 something. Kakagaling lang namin ng church. Tapos, grabe, sobrang unexpected. Kasi bigla na lang kami pinag-reading. Tapos, si Ahira kasi siya kasi Jasper. Siyempre may experience na. Ako first time ko, alam mo feeling ko, parang first time ko ulit magre-recite in front of teachers and students, ganun.
In front of the Lord.
Anyway, we're on the way to Yogurt House. And so far Enet, and so far lamig at the same time. So you choose, it's half-half. Tapos naglalakad na lang kami kasi kailangan na lang namin magtipid kasi pauwi na. Tipirin ang natitirang kwarta or else di makauwi ng Manila. Oh, rhymes. Magla-lunch na lang kami tapos pahinga kasi 2 PM yung bus. Sana makatulog na ako ng maayos sa bus kasi ako nakatulog ng maayos sa buong trip na to. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nakatulog kami ng 8 hours in 3 days. Sa loob ng 3 days, 8 hours na yon. So, feeling ko good as new. Samantalang si Roseanne, sobra na siya sa installment niya. Grabe. Guys, kapag ang hirap pala oh my God, ang ganda ng view. Wow. Anyway, bye na muna kasi hinihingal na ako. Got our pasalubong. This is the reseller of the town.
May resell, iba, ibebenta ko lang.
So ano nga, reseller pa din. Pa din ka. Eh. Kukunin lang namin yung gamit kasi nandiyan na rin yung bus. So 2 PM yung alis nun. Currently 1:25 na yata. So ang struggle for today, paano iaakit yung maleta, especially yung akin.
Life right now is a movie.